Got something for y'all today. It's your boy Corey, known as Mad Dog Fishing. Got a little shipment in today for calls. Let y'all guess what's in there. What's in there right there. So, go what's in, you know, little fishing stuff. Stuff I use on a regular. Some new stuff I ain't used yet. I'm gonna use it soon, probably tomorrow. Oh. Yeah. Sausage swimmer. Googan baits. 3.8. Got two different colors, should be. What this is. Let's get the color. This the green gizzard shad. This the electric shad. Then got some tungsten weights. I use tungsten weights. I don't really like lead weight eating up your line and stuff. So I got two 3/8 ounce weights. Oh yeah, spawn coming up. Springtime. Gonna be a deal, I'm telling you. What we got in here? Boy, oh. Little juice, little finesse jig, black and blue, 3/8 ounce. You know I had to get some more jigs. I ain't supposed to get these now. Biospawn, they almost like Googan baits. Both on trailers. What size is this? 3.2. They the smaller version. A little bit smaller. Let's go there. You know I had to get the hooks. Had to get some more hooks. They 5/0 offset hooks. Hammer jacks. Hammer hooks. Hammer jack, hammer hooks, same thing. Had to get some hooks. Frog fishing, baby, is going down. Black frog, white frog. Say eat. Open it right there. Let y'all see the frog. I'm probably trim the skirt down on there. You know, you can see the frog. What else we got? Got some braid. What is it? 10-pound fluorocarbon. Not fluorocarbon. 10-pound braid. I'm gonna run this on my spinning reel. I got a new Googan Squad spinning reel. I'm gonna run this and I'm gonna run a leader, 17 pound. I got the Googan bait fluorocarbon. It's that season. You know, I gotta throw that spinner bait. I could throw this on the back. Perfect match. Catching big bags. Y'all might get this video after I go fishing tomorrow. I ain't gonna throw none of this top water. This video right here gonna come after I go fishing. Got some more hooks, 1/4 ounce. Trench holes. That's why I like Googan bait too. I use all that stuff, that's all I really use. See how it come in the packet, keep your bait straight. All you do is pop it open. Got your bait. Hook it, bam. Throw it on the hook. Get in that water. I might use these tomorrow, I ain't gonna lie. Trench hole, what color this is? Summer Crow. It's really just like a dark green, like a pepper chartreuse on the bottom. Here go another jig right here. Little juice finesse jig. 3/8 ounce. Just like the first one I showed y'all, but this one black and blue. This one called Blue Cross. More like a bluegill pattern, like a little baby bluegill. But this good for dirty water. Use this more than clear water. Got the bandito bugs. This should be summer craw too. Yeah, summer craw. You see it right there. Same thing. They package this bait straight. They don't be all crinkled up, take one out, put it on the hook. Throw that joker. What else we got? We got some more 1/8 ounce hooks right here. Boom, them big boys. I just throw these. A lot of people use hooks with a weighted belly hooks, swan bait hooks. I just use regular hooks with a well, I use both of them, but mainly I put one on here, one of these hooks, put it on here, put a regular weight, Texas rig, basically Texas rig the swim bait, throw it. You can swim fast, slow, you can bounce it off the bottom, depends on how you want to fish it. I got this, it's called Sunrise Craw. It's called a Zinger swim bait by Googan Baits. Got a number 2 Colorado blade, number 4 Willow blade, 1/2 ounce. Should be pretty good. Got some black blue flake trench haulers. They're really black and blue. I like these trench haulers. They make the big ones bite. You don't really catch them in the small ones. You don't really catch them with the small ones with the trench. Let me take it out the pack, show y'all the trench haulers. I recommend it. See that right there? Black and blue. Break the legs off. Don't break them off, but break them from the side. They stuck together. They come down, they just be kicking. Yes, sir. Got nets. I'm supposed to have 2 of these, two big ones. They messed up my order, man. They sent me the buyer's money. I ain't even ordered these. I'm supposed to have 2 of these, and I messed up, you know. Everything got the box. Last but not least. Put that to the side, push that out the way. New baby. That ain't what I did with the. Got some exclusive tape. Tape got that thing on. I'm lying in it. It's crazy. What am I doing with my blade? That. Don't need that. Yes, sir. And these spinning baits. I don't really use a lot of spinning baits. You see, you know, I'm man. But I do use them. You know, I'm gonna use them. You gotta have a spinning bait. You're a fisherman. Beginners. Oh, I started off on a spinning bait, but you know, really gonna be using this. It comes with 10-pound mono filament line. However you see it, it's a difference. You got what this is, fluorocarbon. Fluorocarbon, that line sink. I'll do a video on that for y'all. Fluorocarbon gonna sink, mono gonna float, and mono real stretchy. You know, you really use that for like you throwing the top water spooks and stuff. That's what I'm missing. I'm missing something. Wait. Oh, they played me. They got me, y'all. Missing my hound. Top water. This got some mono on. I'm gonna put this braid on the braid you on cast smooth. You gotta smooth the cast. Dang, bro, they got me. They will be getting the email for Sharp Car. Y'all owe me. Y'all owe me saucy swim with a big one. Y'all owe me a hound. I ain't even order this. It's all gravy though, because I'm gonna use it. But you know, you gotta have that spinning ring. You know this Googan too. Put it up so y'all can see it. Googan. The length is 6'6". I think this made out of like glass or something. Yeah, made out of S glass right there. You know, let it dangle. You know, I'm gonna kick some. You know, I always kick some. But yeah, you know, monofilament, it said it holds 6 pounds, 260 yards, and 10-pound line, it'll hold 175. It's a real great beginner rod for beginners. You want to learn how to fish. You starting off fishing, you get one of these. It ain't nothing but like $60. That's it, number $60. That's real cheap. And it come with good line too. Buy some hooks, some baits, and you ready to go fishing. It's $60, you know. I'm ready to use this right here though. I've been wanting it for a minute. Hey, I snuck and got it. Let me get that real quick. Yes, sir. That's all I got. You know, I would have showed y'all the hound. I had a hound on order. Then I had another pack of sausage on it. But in fact, I need to see what I'm missing. Cause I know they done got me. Yes, sir. They done got me, y'all. It's the hound right here. It look like that right there. Y'all can see that. That's what it's supposed to look like. Frozen sausage. Yeah, they got me, y'all. It's all ready though. I'm finna go fishing. I'm gonna post this video. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put the line on there. When I go, I'm gonna show y'all how to set it up with the hooks, the weights, how to hook your baits. I'm gonna show y'all that too. Cause I got a lot of people that probably don't know how to do that. You know, probably kids want to get into fishing. I'll show y'all how to do that. I'm gonna show y'all how to set these up with these. You know what I'm saying? This ain't the color, but I got some. Show y'all everything, man. But this is all I got. Just want to show y'all my little Googan squad stuff. Got a lot of Googan baits. I really like Googans. They like kind of expensive. It ain't really that bad though. Cheaper than some other stuff, but you know, speak on that. Yeah, that's all I got for you right here. Next video coming.